If you are looking for a really fun water bottle for your daughter or for a birthday gift, this would be a really good option. And so the reason I love this is because you get to decorate this yourself. You can make diamond art and then cut out the pictures and put them on the water bottle. So that is what my daughter is working on right now. It's very unicorn themed, which she loves. She also really loves diamond art. So this is a really, really fun decorate your own cup for her. She's really excited to decorate it. So these are the different pictures for the diamond art that you can choose to decorate. And it comes with everything you need for the diamond art. There's also lots of other designs and gems that you can put on. Those are so cute. Thanks to the brand for sending this to me to try out. My daughter really enjoyed this activity and was really happy and excited to have her very own water bottle that she customized all on her own. I find that this water bottle is very durable and made of high quality stainless steel. And I also think that this would be very ideal for kids to take to school or for sports or even just taking on the go so that they stay hydrated when they leave the house. It's lightweight, easy to carry, and I also love that they included so much in this set, from the keychain to all of the different designs. My 7-year-old daughter loves this so much. She takes it everywhere with her, and I think this would be a great gift. Okay, so my daughter is all done decorating her water bottle, and we put the keychain on here as well. Feels really well made and great quality. Would definitely recommend. Pretty impressed with it overall.